Do you remember this thing from your childhood? I definitely do, which is why when I came across it, I had to buy it again. It's called Spirograph, and come with me to see what's in the box and what's being done with it. It says it's the original Spirograph, but I don't think the contents of the box match exactly the original product, but it's very similar. I know that the original one we had at home didn't have markers, but there were 4 colored pens: blue, black, red and green. Here, as you can see, there are markers in more colors. And I also remember that the original set came with pins to attach them. This one is with putty, which I think is better. At least there will be no holes in the paper. As you can see, I've tried it before. I've played with it for quite a while. Here we have 2 basic rings, plus lots of elements of different shapes and sizes. Here we have paper for this, but I tend to use some colored and harder papers to give it an added effect. And here's a tutorial showing some basic techniques. So how does the Spirograph actually work? It's all about combining simple geometric shapes to create complex pattern. The basic idea involves 2 main components, a ring and a gear. Let's break it down step by step. Let me show you with a simple design. First we have the ring, which is a fixed circular piece. This ring has a teeth on the inside and on the outside. Then we have the gear, which also has teeth on the outside and several small holes for the pen. When you place the gear inside the ring, the teeth of the gear mesh with the teeth of the ring. This is the circle size of 144/96. That means it has 144 teeth on the outside and 96 on the inside. And this gear has 45 teeth. To start creating a design, you place the ring on the paper and secure it so it doesn't move. I'm using a putty to secure it. This is important because the ring needs to stay in place for the gear to rotate smoothly. Next, insert your pen into one of the holes in the gear. I use position 1 on both parts, wheel and gear. The position of this hole will determine the size and shape of your design. Now, as you move the gear around the inside edge of the ring, the pen traces a path. The gear's teeth follow the teeth of the ring, and this controlled motion is what creates those intricate repeating patterns. The path traced by the pen is a type of curve known as a hypotrochoid or epitrochoid, depending on the position of the pen and the relationship between the sizes of the ring and the gear. By changing the size of the gear, the position of the pen, or even the size of the ring, you can create an endless variety of designs. For example, using a smaller gear will result in tighter, more intricate patterns, while a larger gear will create broader, more sweeping designs. You can also overlay patterns by using different gears and colors on the same ring. The layering effect adds depth and complexity to your designs, making each creation unique. In essence, the Spirograph works by using the principle of geometry and mechanical motion. It's a fantastic way to explore these concepts while creating beautiful art. We can't fit all the information into one video. It would be too long, so next time I will tell you about the history, what it's actually good for, how it can be used, and we will talk about the health benefits. I will look forward to the next video and see you later. Bye!